One of the most helpful built-in tools in your scriptures is the footnotes that have already been put in there. So we're just going to look at how to do that. It's pretty simple. If you go to the top right corner of your Gospel Library app, there's a little menu. When you tap on that, it opens a whole list of scripture passages that you would normally find on the bottom of your paper copy of scriptures. You'll see on there it's got all of the different verses, and the best part about your footnotes here is when you choose to open them, they open right in the margins. So if I'm reading verse 1 and I notice that they call the valley of Nimrod, well, 1b. I'm going to go to 1b. As I hit that, it's going to open up both scripture passages related to it, so I can see them in my margin briefly. If I want to see more, I can just tap on that scripture. It'll bring me right to the exact page. But I'm going to go back. One of the most helpful pieces of this is the simple fact that sometimes there's things that we don't understand, and we need to use those footnotes to deepen our understanding, like 4a. You'll notice there's a Joseph Smith history passage. I'm going to go there, and maybe that's going to provide me some more information about this cloud and teach us about the transcendent experience of Joseph Smith. This is what footnotes look like. You can create your own when you start learning how to link your scriptures or add notes.